Hello guys, Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question arises, as Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discount deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builder with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that included the builder. This is a great deal while platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one site. Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 websites with a single affordable plan. However, this means there no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger, a website builder. The builder offer 100 unique looking template. While some start to look similar, many are modern and flashy with no premier locked option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy, just drag them from the tab. Although there are not many elements to choose from, there enough for most websites. I love how you can add image from free libraries on your phone quickly. A future beginner well appreciated is the grid system. It split the design into squares, speeding up the process of eliminating the need to move elements pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what available. Pricing now for the fun part. Pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value provider since you are buying hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. This true value through lies in the premier plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage, no bandwidth limit, a free domain, and up to 100 website. That probably the best deal out there, especially with our discount link below. Hostinger is renewal rates are also consumer friendly with price doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce hosting. Hostinger website builder is a great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small businesses. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just wanting to sell to a few item online. Managing inventory and editing product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance is crucial, especially for online shop. If your site loads slowly, you will lose customer. Google recommended a load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 100% of builder I have reviewed, and within Google recommended live frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for businesses side and portfolios, but not as much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lack the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as a separate page, which can be tedious. AI tools. Hostinger web builder offer a few AI tool to help you get started. An AI logo generated, AI editor, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, these tools are helpful for beginner conclusion. If you are looking for lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger might be the answer to it. The cheap premier web builder on the market with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend it giving Hostinger a try. Thanks for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want more, I leave a like on this video. See you all later.